Welcome back to Drive Bike, where we explore the world of motorcycling and share our passion with you. Today we're excited to review the 2025 Honda Shadow Phantom, a bike that embodies the spirit of cruising in style. As we take our first look at the Shadow Phantom, it's clear that this bike is all about attitude. The matte black finish and sleek lines give it a menacing presence, perfect for those who want to make a statement on the road. But don't let its tough exterior fool you. The Shadow Phantom is built for comfort. The low-slung seat and relaxed riding position make it perfect for long highway stretches or casual evening cruises. At the heart of the Shadow Phantom lies a powerful 745cc V-twin engine, producing 54 horsepower and 64 lb-ft of torque. It's a smooth and responsive power plant, delivering plenty of grunt for effortless acceleration. One of the standout features of the Shadow Phantom is its handling. Despite its size, the bike is surprisingly agile, making it easy to navigate through tight spaces or carve through sweeping turns. We were also impressed with the braking performance. The dual-disc setup provides ample stopping power, inspiring confidence in even the most aggressive riding. Ergonomics are another strong point. The controls are intuitive, and the instruments are easy to read. The only drawback is the lack of a sixth gear, which might make highway cruising a bit more rev-happy than we'd like. In terms of tech, the Shadow Phantom features a modern LCD instrument cluster, displaying all the essential info including gear position, fuel level, and trip data. On the practical side, the Shadow Phantom boasts impressive fuel efficiency with an estimated 45 miles per gallon. Maintenance is also a breeze, thanks to the low-maintenance design and easily accessible components. Overall, the 2025 Honda Shadow Phantom is a fantastic bike that's perfect for those who want to cruise in style. With its powerful engine, comfortable riding position, and sleek design, it's sure to turn heads wherever you go. Thanks for watching Drive Bike. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews and content.